and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai International Airport.
Celebrating New Year in Dubai. You may say, what? But tell me, aren't you tired of the same Christmas vibes, the same Christmas fairs? Dubai has no snow yet, but it still has everything to grant you an incredible New Year adventure. Welcome to my New Year guide in Dubai, where I will make sure that even if you've got just 3 days, you will have the most memorable New Year experience in this extraordinary city. Have a nice watching. Day 1. After you've explored the neighborhood where you've stayed, I recommend visiting Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall in the evening. The tallest building on earth is probably the most crowded place in Dubai. But now I will share the easiest way to enter this area and show you the best spot to watch the famous fountain show. Just park your car in the underground of Souk Al Bahar Mall. Pass this mall and tada! Here you have it, the most wonderful position to have your jaw dropped after the fountain show. The good news is, the fountains come to life every 30 minutes from 6 p.m. until 11 p.m. every day. I definitely do not recommend visiting Burj Khalifa to see the fireworks because if it's this crowded on usual days, imagine what's happening there on the New Year's Eve. Not recommended. After the show, go check out one of the largest malls in the world. But plan your stops beforehand or else you'll end up spending your whole budget on day 1. Definitely check out the aquarium, the reindeer, and the rest is up to you. Day 2. Miracle Garden and sunset at Palm Jumeirah. A fan of flowers or not, everyone must visit the Miracle Garden and jump straight into a fairy tale. Miracle Garden is the world's largest natural flower garden. It displays 150 million flowers, ranging from sunflowers, marigolds and roses to petunias, tulips and calendulas. You can expect to see 120 varieties of brightly colored flowers exhibited as flower beddings, floral sculptures, cartoon characters, enormous animals, and stunning archways.
This looks like a mountain, but it's not.
It's great to hear that maintaining this large amount of flowers is done using recycled water for irrigation and employing energy-efficient systems. Now, after your phone's experienced an unexpected raid of colors, I recommend you to meet the sunset at Palm Jumeirah. You can start from taking a stroll along the boardwalk. The farther you are from Atlantis, the more peaceful it is.
This is the best boulevard I have ever seen. The best sunset. The Persian Gulf.
And then you can go to the area of the Point or Point shopping mall. We really loved it there. It's a lot more active, so if you have a time limit, you can choose one which you prefer. Day 3. Marina, GBR, Bluewaters. Now we've come to my dear neighborhood, Marina, and the best pedestrian route in Dubai. Take your swimsuit and kick off your day with a breakfast observing the Marina Walk. I can recommend acai spot. Although it doesn't have the promenade view and it seems to be more suitable for lunch, we also really enjoyed Huba.
Turns out that not only Koreans are bringing banchans, but in Arabia also they bring such things like compliments to the dishes.
Once you're done with the breakfast, walk along the promenade and set a route to Bluewaters Island through Al Garbi Street. And you will enjoy your trip to the fullest, taking photos at Al Garbi Bridge and walking between the mix of Arabian-style buildings and glass skyscrapers.
will fly, and we will break apart.
And here you reach the GBR beach. Have a rest swimming in the Persian Gulf and get ready for the second half of this trip.
Missing you, I miss you so. Baby, can't you stop the plane? Turn around, I'm still love you, babe. Tell the captain that I'm to blame.
You can easily reach Bluewaters Island on foot using a pedestrian bridge, another wonderful panoramic spot. Now, welcome to Bluewaters. We came here twice, but you can see its day and night view in one day. Why stay till the evening? From December the 6th to January the 12th, from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. you can observe the most iconic show ever, the drone show. 1,000 drones perform a shockingly synchronized aerial choreography. They created words, some objects, even a person moving in the sky. It was such a crazy thing in a good sense. It felt like we were absorbed by some sci-fi movie. Everyone has to see the show at least once in a lifetime. Be near the Dubai Eye at about 7:30 so you can secure your place to watch the show. Until then, you can visit Madame Tussauds Museum or just walk around. Approach the Dubai Eye, which is still not functioning, but rumor has it will reopen for people soon. This was all for this video. Thank you very much for watching till the end. I really hope this video was useful for you. Please let me know in the comments below if you will visit all of these sites, and Merry Christmas to everyone who is watching this video on its premiere day, and I wish you a wonderful new year no matter where you celebrate it. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!